guys, I hope you're all doing well. I wanted to let you know that I am now partnered with K2Box.
Hey guys, this is Veena Chissy here. I'm so glad to inform you guys that I'm partnered with K2Box.
Hi guys, I'm Varun Chakravarti, K2Box. So they deal with nutrition and fitness solutions. I highly recommend everyone to join whoever are around that place, and they provide solutions through online WhatsApp also.
Best wishes to K2Box and Kiran Prasad.